In this guide, we will do a complete optimization of the system. The optimization pack contains thousands of different parameters and settings that configure absolutely everything. From increasing the responsiveness of the mouse, full parameter settings, control panel, hidden settings, various edits, improvements, fixes, and other settings that will improve the overall comfort and convenience when interacting with the system. This is not just an optimization package that has been stuffed with everything in a row. Every setting has been checked and tested, and only after that it was added to the optimization package. There are no questionable tweaks that can negatively affect the performance of the system. By installing this package, you will absolutely 100% configure the entire system, which will not need additional optimization. And by going into each script, you can see a description of all the settings in Russian and what they do. If you watched the last guide, you know that it was quite long and difficult for beginners. Now all the optimization will take you a couple of minutes. And the optimization package has been updated, and some improvements have been made to it. I plan to improve this pack in the future. So if you have any comments or suggestions, I will be glad to hear them. I recommend doing a clean install of Windows, but no one prevents you from applying this pack to your already installed system. I also recommend rebooting the PC after completing each item. To get started, download Windows 11. Here we choose the version with or without a Defender. On my own, I recommend installing the version without Windows Defender. And if you chose the Defender version, add all hard drives to the exception until the end of optimization. Download Windows and install. After installing Windows, we need to install the drivers. Follow the script and download the latest version of NVIDIA drivers. We transfer the downloaded drivers to the same folder from where we launched the download script. Starting the installation. Click OK. The further installation process will be automatic. After opening the setup script, it will automatically set all the necessary parameters in the NVIDIA panel. I don't have an AMD graphics card right now, but for you, I have a couple of recommendations for setting up. Go to the Download Drivers folder and run the script. We are looking for the website of your motherboard manufacturer, from which you download the latest drivers for the chipset and network card for Windows 11 and install them. Then we run Windows updates and update to the current version. After the update, we do not press reboot if you do not want to see garbage shortcuts in the start. Open the script that will delete several garbage shortcuts. Now we can reboot. Go to the activation folder and execute it according to the attached instructions. We go into the Windows components and install all the components in turn. Direct C++. Installing the Microsoft Store. Sometimes it is necessary to reopen the script in order for the store to be displayed in the startup programs. In Microsoft Store, install the NVIDIA panel if necessary. And also, by launching the pack, we update the Russian language in the system to the current version through the Microsoft Store. We run the installation of Net Framework 3.5. Go to the Programs and install Power Run. This program is required for further scripts to work correctly. In the Security folder, click the script to disable Windows protection. Open it if you have selected Windows without Defender. Go to the settings and run this script. It will fully configure the entire system. The Power Plan script will create a maximum performance power plan. This plan is a modified version of the original meal plan. In the Internet folder, we run a script that will perform a complete configuration of everything related to the Internet, from disabling unnecessary protocols to fully configuring network adapters. Go into the sound, turn off the playback device and record that are not being used, and remove the 2 checkboxes as shown in the video. Now run the resolution timer script. The script will create a service that reduces the resolution of the system timer, which will have a positive effect on latency and FPS in games. Then we turn on the MIS mod, which allows the video card and other devices to process the interrupt more efficiently, which also has a positive effect on delays. In the Services folder, first of all, we need to make a full backup of all services. By opening the file that appears, you will return all services to their original state. Go to the Settings folder and run the script that will perform a complete configuration of all services. Then we go to the Advanced folder, and here we turn off the services at will. Personally, I don't use any of this list, and I disable everything. To do this, run the script and confirm the execution. In any case, you can always return the services to their original state if you have disabled something that you may need in the future. Go to the folder Cleaning and Compression. Go to the first item and click Clear Autorun. This script will clean up all unnecessary programs in the task scheduler and startup. Go to the Edge folder and run this script, which will completely delete the browser. Go to the Cleanup folder and run a script that will clean the entire system of unnecessary garbage. Cleaning may take several minutes. At the final stage, the standard cleaning in Windows will start. Check all the boxes and confirm the cleaning. The fourth point is optional. To perform compression or not, decide at your discretion. The final stage of Windows configuration. Go to the Advanced Settings folder. Next, configure Start and configure shortcuts in the Start menu. These two folders contain all the installed programs that you can see in the Start menu. Delete unnecessary shortcuts, rename them. In general, do the sorting according to your taste. For example, in a standard startup, I want to see only program shortcuts without folders. This way you get access to the program faster, and you can immediately determine what kind of program it is by the label. Let's make a small configuration of the Explorer. We'll pin the Explorer to the taskbar if you haven't pinned it yet, and remove the extra pinned icons in the Explorer, leaving only the ones you need. Now let's set up the desktop through the program. And don't be afraid, this program will not affect performance in any way. After all, it consumes less resources than most running services. We go to the website, download and install the program. I have installed several modules. You can find their names and settings in the attached text file. I have installed the following mods. Dark Mode Forward adds a dark theme to the standard Windows notepad. Taskbar System Tray Icon Talks allows you to hide system icons in tray, for example, sound, battery, network, and so on. Disable Tray Icons completely disables icons in 3 and 4 any selected program. Just specify the name of the program in this area. Windows 11 File Explorer Styler changes the appearance of the Explorer. I personally use the option but command bar. Also a good option is Minimal Explorer. Taskbar Hide and Icon Size allows you to adjust the height of the taskbar and the size of the icons on it. I personally make the launch a little less. Here are my settings. We have finished optimizing the system. Many thanks to all subscribers on Boost, and special thanks to donators. Many thanks to everyone who watched the video to the end. If you liked it, please like it and leave a comment. Your support will greatly help in promoting the channel. If you have comments or suggestions, write in private messages on the bust.